Hi, Namaskaram, Radhe. Let's talk about mastering the bullish side by side white lines. This is something like if you see in a bullish side by side lines after an uptrend, it's like kind of a consolidation. It's happening in uptrend. Before that, let's go and read this disclaimer one. Just read this one. Let's go into the this candlesticks. Hope you have gone through the videos earlier about the detailed explanation of this. If you have not, go through the initial videos. So understanding also this is how it is, but we will talk about how the reliability, all these things are there. This is a low reliability thing because you have already seen an uptrend here, in sense some movement has happened. So I don't think this will be a good see. If you see here, there is a consolidation has happened. There are two things, one and two, then the movement. So I don't see reliability kind of thing happening here. This is the classic example which has moved and then it sustained green, then it started moving. Maybe you have one or two candles above it, but you have to make sure the stop losses are very tight here. So that part you have to make sure. And there are places like this. If you see here, one or two also, this and this is also happening, and this is also moving. This is an example of JB Chemicals and Pharmaceutical Limiteds that you can see in topstockresearch.com. So that's one thing. I think you can also see how other any other things you have seen here. See, this is kind of a three dojis. I don't say it's a dojis, but kind of uncertainty kind of thing is there, and then market started falling. So whenever there is a rise and when you see some uncertainty, you can see a horizontal line can be drawn here, and if it falls below this, then you can take a position. But that's a trending line, horizontal trending line subject. But let's go ahead, identifying the bullish side by side lines patterns, and then you see how it's happening. You can see here you identified a bullish side by almost they are kind of an equal kind of situation. It's happened, and then market just went up and subdued there. So now that it can't go up, there are situations it can go up also, but contributing factors patterns are like market sentiment, supply and demand, psychological factors, technical. In a bull trend, if you see this kind of things happening, it is just a telling the trend will continue, not the trend will go down, trend will continue. Entry strategies for bullish side by side lines: identify the pattern, confirm the uptrend, and time your entry. These are important things. Stop loss placements, earlier candles low should always be, I think I would keep this as a stop loss low or nearest support or resistance, whatever it is, that I would keep, and I'll manage my risk accordingly. Profit taking is also, you have to trail your stop losses, because also Fibonacci extensions, if you can find out, you can draw the Fibonacci extension, that also you can do. And partial position closing, if you have taken multiple lots or if you are taking maybe 100 units, then you can close out 50 units. Once you have profit on remaining 50 units, you can trade. It all depends upon what kind of trader and how close you look at the underlying thing and how close you are with the trading terminal. Confluence with the moving averages, RSIs, and volume confirmation will make the pattern more strong. Combining with other indicators also makes it very, very strong. Backtesting, statistical analysis, real world validations is a very, very important thing. Risk management consideration, preserve capital, manage volatility, diversification, discipline, consistency are also very important when you are trading, because if you don't have this, there is no guarantee that you will survive in this market. Market is full of I don't know how to say, market is full of uncertainties. So in certainties, discipline is what is going to help you. Implementing the pattern in your trading routine, backtest the pattern, develop entry criteria, manage risk prudently. So these are once you backtest, you are practicing technically. That's what I was saying. Do not try to think this is what it is. Practice at least on 10-20 charts, and then you have a trading journal, then you review it regularly, then you will make, then there are chances of probability. Stock market is not a guarantee place, it's a probability place, so you can make something of. So thank you, thanks for listening. If you want to buy the courses, or you want to know the consulting services, presentations, or portfolio review, or books, or subscription, you can connect with me. There is a link below. So you can connect through there, or in the description you can connect. Thank you. Bye all.